Welcome back to Getting Started with MTA Web Services. This video will help you drop courses through self-service. First, log into your self-service account using your MTA username and password. Then, from the toolbar on the left side, select Academics and then Register for Classes. Here, make sure that you are in the correct term. Now, using the side panel, identify the course that you want to drop and then press the drop button. The course has been dropped successfully if the color changes from green to yellow on the schedule. If you're planning to drop a course with the lab, please make sure that you drop the course and the lab session that you are registered in. Also note that full year courses can only be dropped by emailing reghelp@mta.ca. Congratulations! Now you know how to drop courses through self-service. Please watch the next videos in this series for more services provided through your Student Network account.